This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by kthomas. Country Haven in Holliday. Beautifully built and maintained 4,000 square foot home features 5 acres, picturesque pipe fencing, gated entry, concrete driveway, and garage parking for 6. The big gathering areas are perfect for hosting. And the floor plan is ideal west/2 ensuite bedrooms. The kitchen features rich cabinetry, granite, stainless, and a fabulous view overlooking the backyard with mature trees and a pool. Detached 1,000 square feet living quarters, shop and carport. Tons of updates. Are you ready to live the country dream? For more information, review the details below or contact kthomas at 940-692-8120.